But what I want to remind you guys is failure and innovation are always together. Fear and trust are always together. As a leader, you get to decide how much of each is in the room. Are you leading in a way where there's a lot of fear of failure, and so there's not a lot of space for innovation? Or are you leading in a way in directing and using language that helps people reduce their fear, see what's possible, expand their mind maps, and so that the fear and failure start to reduce and innovation starts to grow? As a leader, if you, through the 3 sessions that you showed up for, or you can always binge watch if you haven't seen them, you'll get the replays. Please take this with you. Please know every day of your life from here on out, failure and fear set together. And so does trust and innovation. And you're always going to have a little of both, always. You'll never not have some of them. The question is, how much of each? If you feel like you want to work on this with your team, put a yes in the little box for me. Let me know why it's important for you to reduce the fear in your team. Is that to improve sales? Is that to improve culture? Is that to innovate a new product? Is that to change your marketing strategy? How could reduction of fear and increase of innovation impact your company? Put it in the chat box, because I want to see, because there's going to be 1,000 different ways this will impact people. Think about reduction of turnover. One of the ways to manage retention is to make people really excited to work for you. If they're in fear every day they drive to the office, and they're in fear they're going to get in trouble and yelled at and judged, guess what? They're going to find a new place to work. If you want to reduce turnover and increase retention, get an environment where innovation is king and failure is not, but it's work, right? All right. Oh my gosh, so much good stuff. So improve retention and promotions, great. Innovation for a new program for a nonprofit, fantastic. To gain efficiencies and adjust to the market. Yes, everyone's adjusting to the market these days. Who even knows what the market is? Move the organization forward and stop but this is the way we've always done it. Katie, you're so right. Turnover reduction, join a new team on Monday. And this has been without a leader for a long time. Reducing fear. Oh my gosh, Lisa, that is fantastic that you did this before getting a new team. Oh gosh, think of all the fear they're going to have the first day they meet you, right? How can you start, over this next few days, thinking about ways to respond or ways to use your language to reduce their fear so you can really get to know them? Joelle, this will change results that we've had in the business. Absolutely, it will. Fantastic. Oh my gosh, you guys are such great students.